Ever wonder if you're actually getting the most out of your Rogers cashback, or if you're just leaving money on the table? I've been using the Rogers MasterCard for a while now, and I've realized that while it's marketed as a simple rewards card, there is a very specific way to play the game to turn that basic 2% into a much higher return. If you aren't a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, this card is honestly just average. But if you are, the best use case isn't just spending, it's how you redeem. The first and most powerful use case is the bill credit strategy. Most people don't realize that when you have an active Rogers service, your cashback is worth 1.5 times more if you apply it directly to your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bill. That means your 2% base earn rate effectively jumps to 3%. I make it a habit to never redeem my cashback for random Amazon purchases or gas. I let it sit until it hits the $10 minimum, then I wipe out part of my internet or phone bill. It's the easiest way to get a guaranteed 3% return on every single dollar you spend, including at Costco, which is a rare win for a MasterCard. The second major use case is for US dollar purchases. If you travel south of the border or shop on American sites, the Rogers World Elite version of this card gives you 3% back on USD transactions. Even after the 2.5% foreign exchange fee, you're still netting 0.5% in profit. But here's the pro move. If you take that 3% USD cashback and redeem it against your Rogers bill back home with that 1.5x multiplier, your effective return on those US purchases scales significantly. It becomes one of the few cards that actually makes you money on foreign spend rather than just breaking even. Finally, use it as your everything else card. We all have those spending categories that don't fit into groceries or gas, things like car repairs, dental visits, or new furniture. Instead of getting a measly 0.5% or 1% on a standard rewards card, I use this for every non-category purchase. By funneling those big, random expenses through this card and redeeming against my Rogers bill, I'm essentially getting a 3% discount on my life's most boring expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.